So this is the last ceiling fan I have to film in my house. I've already done a video of the Wakefield, but I just haven't posted it yet. So this is a Emerson traditional Snugger, or it's a progress lighting. I have no idea what it is. Can you guys help me with the model? And so here's the light. And the chain is really rough to pull. And I'm taking this video with my mom's phone, not my phone. Crap. What's wrong with the chain? The connector's being crappy. There we go. Chain's actually really hard to pull. And there's they're watching Pink Sheep or something. There's the time in. And then that's the paw ticket. It makes a rattling noise. It sounds like a bell, but it's a quiet one. These bulbs are pretty bright, and they get really hot, so kind of has to be cautious about it. So this is high, obviously, and then medium. I really need to tighten the shades, but I'm afraid I'm gonna crack one of them because I learned that the hard way. I did that on my Westinghouse Apollo 8 ceiling fan, and one of their shades cracked, but I was able to super glue it back together. It's low, I believe. Did I turn it on low? I forgot. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh frick. I was gonna pull on the chain to hang it, and then the fan would come crashing down. So I'm really fat. I'm actually not that fat. I weigh like 85 pounds. No, I'm not that fat. Okay, so that is my Emerson traditional Snugger. I actually don't know what it's called. Can you guys help me with the brand? I'm just gonna call it Progress Lighting for now. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.